Hi everyone, my name's Jana and welcome to Afrikaans with Jana. Now, I was hoping that I could record this in a nicer setting, but because of lockdown, I am in my parents' place, not in my own apartment. So I don't have my own nice setup here. So just bear with me until after lockdown and then the videos will start looking a lot better, I promise. Okay, so what we're going to do for the first lesson is we're going to start with the basics, like the very, very basics. So we're going to start with the alphabet and the way you say the sounds in Afrikaans. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say the sounds like as you would say it if you were saying the alphabet, like A, B, C, D, whatever. But then I will also say the individual letter sounds, if that makes sense. So, for example, let's take English as an example, where you have A, but you say it as A, you know? Or you have B, but you say it as B. So that way you get an idea of how the alphabet sounds, but also how to sound out the letters if you were to come across a word you've never heard or read before. That will also give you a nice feel of the language. What we'll also do is we'll look at sounds in general in Afrikaans, as well as, so that would include all the vowels, the variations on vowels, yeah. And then if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or if you're on the WhatsApp group, pop a question in there. So let's start. A, A. B, B. C. So with C it's difficult to find a way to say it clearly because we don't have any words that, we don't have any like proper Afrikaans words that start with a C. So we almost never use it. It's almost only in what you call leenwoorde in Afrikaans. Directly translated, that means borrowed words. So that's words we borrow from other languages. So that is why I'm saying, like, we don't really have a sound that you get from the letter C. We only properly use it in borrowed words. D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q. Once again, we don't really have the Q sound in Afrikaans. I actually can't think of a word. I will go check in my dictionary, but I actually can't think of a specific word in Afrikaans where we have a Q. Once again, this is for borrowed words, because it's not a word that you actually get in Afrikaans language. But I will check my dictionary for you guys as soon as lockdown's over and I'm back in my apartment where I have my dictionary, so that I can give you examples and give you guys an update on this. R, R. I know a lot of you will struggle with this sound, especially English-speaking people. If I can put it in a way, so in English when you say your R, your tongue doesn't move that much. In Afrikaans when you say R, it's literally your tongue, R, I can't explain it. But in English, in Afrikaans when you say R, It is literally like your tongue jumps up and down in your mouth. S, S, T, T, U, E. Vier, F, vier, V. X, X, I, Z, Z. Now that we've had a look at the alphabet, we can break down the vowel sounds. So how this works is, in Afrikaans, if you put your vowels together, you get different sounds. So what I'll do is I will have the vowel or the vowel sound, and then I will give you examples of words where that sound is present, and I will give you the Afrikaans word, and then also you will see the English translation as well. That way you get to really hear how the sound is placed in words, or how you pronounce it within words. Oh. Maar, waar, raar, blaar, klaar, mekaar. E, een, twee, eend, veer, weer, eet. Oe, oom, room, koor, soos, boom, soom. I, die, papier, vier, dier, klavier, kies. U, uur, vuur, huur, skuur, duur. Now, what I want you guys to see is that we have both the duur, like I put it here, but we also have dier, like we have with the IE, with E. So the difference between the two is that the U, the double U, is a very long, stretched, deeper sound than the E. If I can put it this way, for U, for the W, you round your mouth. Whereas for the E, it's almost like you lift up your lips almost in a smile. So it's an E sound as opposed to a U sound. If that helps you guys with the difference. It is something that you have to develop an ear to pick up on. A lot of Afrikaans people don't really pronounce it as distinctly. So you'll often find out from the context what's going on. But yes, so for example, one of the other ones is if you look at hier, we also have hier, which means here. So it is a bit of a different thing that you just develop an ear for. I, fly, lei, trein, beklei, klei.
Now, you'll see that, or you've probably figured that this A sound, A, is the same sound as how you pronounce a Y in Afrikaans. There is no rule as to when we use which one. You will just have to learn which words are written with the EI or are written with the Y. So the same sound, we don't have a specific rule for, like, this type of word gets a Y, this type of word gets an EI. So it's just something you will have to learn.
Ear, deur, kleur, geur, treur.
Oe, toer, vervoer, snoet, roet. Ou, oupa, ouma, ou, vou, rou. Eeu, leeu, seemeeu, eeu, sneeu. Oi, lawaai, kwaai, swaai, saai. Oei, koei, loei, vloei, bloei. Ooi, mooi, kooi, rooi, ooi.